Muy buenos días, niños, o buenas tardes. ¿Cómo están? Espero que bien. Estamos en semana 9, día 2. Week 9, day 2. Today we're going to talk about in Spanish 2 making comparisons, comparative statements. And I'm going to give you guys two formulas, that you're going to use today, to make these statements. And let's start with the first one. So here's the first formula to make comparative statements. We have tan más el adjetivo más como. So we're going to have the word tan plus el adjetivo, the adjective, and the word como. And the English translation would roughly be as. Then we have the adjective, and then as. So a couple examples here I'm going to give you. So número uno, el karate es tan popular como el hockey. So let's look at this comparative statement. Karate is as popular as hockey. So we have the formula tan, which is as, popular, which is the adjective, and then como as hockey. So karate is as popular as hockey. Otro, el béisbol no es, here's a negative statement, no es tan popular como, I'll use the vocab, el ajedrez. What? This might not be true. I don't know. So baseball is not as popular as chess. El béisbol no es tan popular como el ajedrez. So vocab word. So you see the comparative statement. You have tan. You have the same adjective and the word como, which means as. And last one, a little bit different. Las hamburguesas son, it's a plural word, plural verb, son tan sabrosas como la pizza. So here's the statement. La frase, las hamburguesas son tan sabrosas como la pizza. So hamburgers are as, here's the formula, as, basically as tasty, sabroso, tasty, delicious, whatever you want to say. They're as tasty as pizza. Hamburgers are as tasty as pizza. Hamburgers are as tasty as pizza. Okay. The hamburgers are as tasty as pizza. So let's go to the other formula. That's actually kind of pretty simple. Let's use a different board here. Here's the other one. So we have the formula tanto or tanta. We have a masculine, feminine form. We also have a plural masculine and a plural feminine form. So we have tantos, and it could be one of the four. Plus, más, el sustantivo. Or you could also say el nombre. El sustantivo, that's just a word. That word means the noun. You can also say el nombre. This is more grammatical. El sustantivo, the noun. So you have a noun. I'll put that in here so I don't forget. Noun. Más. Como. Which means as. So a rough translation would be as much, as many, and then the word as. And I'll give you a couple examples so you can understand what I'm talking about here. First one, hay tantas actrices como, or en el ensayo, como actores. So the translation would be, hay tantas actrices en el ensayo como actores. There are as many, basically, female actresses in the rehearsal as there are male actors. So there are as many female actresses as male actors. And you look at the formula. Here's the noun, tantos and tantas, and como. So you have the three parts of the formula being plugged in here. Here's another example. Yo hago tanto trabajo como Juan. So I do as much work as Juan. This word here is in agreement with the noun. Just like this word here, tantas, is in agreement with this noun because this is plural and feminine, plural and feminine. Singular masculine, singular masculine. Yo hago tanto trabajo como Juan. I do as much work as Juan. So it's a comparative statement. Otro. Yo, here's a negative comparative statement. Yo no tengo tantos amigos como mi hermana. So here we go. Yo no tengo, I don't have as many friends as my sister. This is in agreement with that. Here's the noun. Tantos is plural and masculine, just like amigos is. I don't have as many friends as my sister. And uno más, last one today. El club de la banda tiene tantos miembros como el club de ajedrez. So here we go. El club de la banda, the club, the band club, or the club of band, or the band club, the band. El club de la banda tiene. So the band, or the band club, it sounds strange in English, I know, has as many members, this is in agreement with that, as the chess club. So the band club, has as many members as the chess club. So let's do our warm-up for today. Now remember, if you are having difficulty with this, we will go, time to go to school. I know it's a little bit harder distance learning, guys, because you can't ask me the questions back and forth like we would in class. So if you get through this, you can't answer it. In teams, I'll go through all the questions and answers. So if you didn't finish the warm-up, perhaps, or if you can't do it, you're going to be able to finish it because I'm going to be there to help you. First question. Where are my questions? Here they are. Ta-da. First question. Give me a complete sentence. Edit. And you're going to use one of the two formulas to answer these questions. Eres tan alto como tu papá. So number one says, eres tan alto como tu papá. Are you as tall as your father? You're going to say, yes, I am as tall, or no, I am not as tall. Or you can say, I am shorter than my father. Next one. Eres tan estudioso como tus amigos. So, eres tan estudioso como tus amigos. Are you as studious? Are you as studious as your friends? Or basically, do you study as much as your friends? Are you as studious as your friends? Número tres. Hay tantos chicos en la clase como chicas. So, hay tantos chicos en la clase como chicas. Are there as many boys in the class as there are girls? Okay, and next one. Number 4. Eres tan fuerte como tu papá. So, eres tan fuerte como tu papá. Are you as strong as your father? Are you as strong as your father? Y número 5. And if you don't know these things, just make something up, guys. Last one. Tienes tanto dinero como tus padres. So, tienes tanto dinero como tus padres. Tienes tanto dinero como tus padres. Do you have as much money as your parents do? All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in teams. Do well. Nos vemos. Ciao.